Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of MissPlanIt. We are so glad you could join us. So this week we have a request from a community member and her name is Mira. And she writes, "Hello MissPlanIt." Hi Mira. I saw some of your projects and they have inspired me to create one of my own. I plan to throw a surprise 60th birthday party for my dear husband, but I'm getting very confused on what type of classy centerpiece I can make. My color theme is gold and black. Can you please help me? I'm sure I will not be disappointed and look forward to your great idea. Well, Mira, you're so sweet, and we are so excited to show you how simple it is to create this very classy centerpiece. So let's get started with this week's centerpiece, Mason Jar Celebration. All right, guys, let's go. So our first step is to tape off the bottom of our 16-ounce clear mason jar. Now I'm using painter's tape, but masking tape works just as fine. So if you have that good old masking tape, go ahead and use it. You want to make sure you're using a clear mason jar because we're going to be adding embellishments onto it. And if there's any kind of design in the glass, it'll conflict with what we're trying to create. Once the paint is dried, at least 20 minutes or so, your tape will easily pull off and you are ready to move on to the next step. To create the suspenders on our fancy dancer, we are going to use gem strip stickers. That's a mouthful. We're going to cut our strips in 4-inch sections and attach them right directly onto our mason jar because they are already self-adhesive. Now, if you happen to find some that are not self-adhesive, just smear a little hot glue at the top and the bottom and they will attach very easily. We're going to turn these very simple wood buttons into some glitter fantasticness with our extra fine gold glitter, attaching it with just some simple Mod Podge. Now it's time to dress our Fred Astaire. We're going to attach our glitterified buttons to the ends of the suspenders with some hot glue. Now we're going to fill our mason jar with our gold glitter balls. To create our centerpiece's full head of hair, we're going to attach hydrangeas to the top of our lid. But before we do that, we want to make sure our lid is nice and secure. If it comes in 2 pieces, just attach a little bit of hot glue on the inside. That way the 2 pieces of the lid adhere and do not come apart. Then it's simple, just using hot glue. Attach your hydrangea blossoms to the top of your lid. Once the hot glue is dry, you're ready to attach your lid to your mason jar, almost completing your beautiful Fred Astaire centerpiece. Well, Mira, I hope you like it as much as we do. It turned out so cool and a little bit of fantastic Fred Astaire, if I may say so myself. Now, we've paired this up with a simple 9-inch glass base, and you can buy those at Dollar Tree or you can buy those at your craft store. They're very inexpensive, as well as 2 of our floating pearl candle holders. And again, very simple to make. Not only that, I'm going to attach the video link to where we created this in another episode. So you'll have all that you need. If you put all of these 3 pieces together, you're still looking at a centerpiece that is less than $30. Less than $30 for all of this that you see here. So I hope you like it. We loved creating it for you, and I think your husband's going to be amazed at what you created for his wonderful 60th birthday. If you like this episode, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our episodes are posted every single Wednesday. And if you would like to write us a comment, some words of encouragement, we would love to receive them from you. And if you have a question, don't hesitate to type it in the comments. Now, I don't get to the comments as much as I would love to, but I promise you, it is me who's answering them. Not any of my team members, but it's me. So just be a little patient because I do answer them. I promise you I do. And if you would like to follow us on our social media, you may do that on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And if you have not already signed up for your Ebates rebate account, you need to do it now. They pay you to shop. It is awesome. Very simple. You can go in the description, click on the little link to Ebates, set up your account, and when you're ready to shop, sign on to your Ebates account, find your vendor, and make your qualified purchases and receive a check in the mail at the end of the month. Especially now when we're all in back to school mode, be sure to get on your Ebates. Get on the Ebates. I am so excited to share with you guys that we are making some fantastic updates to our website, MissPlanIt.com. And one of them is that I will be sharing free DIY home tutorials with you very, very soon. I cannot wait to hang out with you as I do projects around my house, projects for my relatives, and projects for my friends who are always asking me to do projects for them. So I can't wait to share that experience with you. Be sure to go to the description below and sign up for our newsletter, and you will be the first to know when those videos start rolling, and it's coming very, very soon. I want to thank you so much for spending this time with us here on MissPlanIt.com. We know that you have so many options on YouTube, and we just appreciate you choosing to spend this time with us. Don't forget, all of the links to the supplies for our projects as well as the project cost are in the description right below. Just simply click on that upside down arrow or triangle, however you see it, and you will find all of the supplies linked for your pleasure so that you have everything you need to create the DIY project of your dreams right there at your fingertips. Also, don't forget that we just love answering your questions. So if you have questions, leave them in the comments and we will be very happy to answer them. If we can help you with the project, go ahead and click on that little icon in the corner or in the link in the description, and it'll take you right over to our project request screen. So be sure to do it sooner than later because our production schedule fills up extremely fast and I hate telling anyone no. Well, guys, that brings us to the end. And before I go, don't forget to check out our shop, MissPlanIt.com shop.com rather, so that you can check out our DIY planners for bride, for maid of honor, as well as for project planning. So they're all there to help you. And I want to thank those of you who've already supported us by purchasing your planners. And thank you so much for telling us how much the planners are helping you. All right, guys, so that brings us to an end. And I just want to remind you, when every penny counts, count on Miss Planet. Take care. See you soon. God bless.